Ciao a tutti! Today I prepare pasta al forno 1-1-1. What means 1 kilo of pasta, 1 kilo of sauce and 1 kilo of cheese. And you prepare the best pasta al forno in the world. Let's start! Today I try to cooking in different way. I creating oven with the barbecue. I am so excited. I want my magna magna moment. È buonissima! If you want to watch more video with Italian recipes, subscribe and don't forget that every day is a sunny day in Tony's home. Ciao!